The next letter is V. V. V is for violin. Who's playing the violin? It's me! I am playing the violin. Wow, who are these dancers? They are vegetables. Vegetables starts with V. Wow, they're dancing again. Vegetables are great dancers. The next letter is W. W. W is for walrus. Who is splashing the water? They are whales. Whale starts with W. Who is water skiing? That's me! I am water skiing with a whale. The next letter is X. X. X is for xylophone. Let's learn the musical notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, do, so, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So, fa, mi, re. So, fa, mi, re. Do, do. So, la, so. Fa, mi, re, do. Who played the xylophone? That's me! I played the xylophone. I can also make an X with the sticks. Next comes the letter Y. Y. Y is for yacht. The yacht is spinning down, and it's spinning up. The yacht is on the yellow yo-yo. Yo-yo starts with Y. Who is playing with the yo-yo? That's me! I am playing with the yo-yo on the yellow moon. It's so beautiful up here. Next comes the letter Z. Z. Z is for zoo. Here comes the zookeeper. Who is the zookeeper? That's me! I'm the zookeeper. Today, I need to wash the animal whose name starts with Z. Hi, alligator. Does your name start with Z? No, my name starts with A. Hi, Flamingo. Does your name start with Z? No, my name starts with F. Hi, Giraffe. Does your name start with Z? No, my name starts with G. I found it! It's Zebra whose name starts with Z. The zebra certainly likes to be washed. Let's inflate the ABC balloons.